Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Content creators want to supercharge your writing process? In this beginner's guide, we will explore copy.ai, a powerful tool for generating high quality content. Follow along as we uncover the basics and learn how to create compiling copy effortlessly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first of all, make sure to go ahead and open copy.ai. This is the official website of this AI, and now we have here, for those who are asking what are the use cases for this specific AI. Well, there is a lot, and one of them, as you can see here, this AI Sales OS and AI Sales OS. So here for AI sales and marketing here, so let's check each one of these and learn what can it do exactly. So there is first of all personalized prospecting. Personalized prospecting with AI can revolutionize your go-to-market strategy by enabling hyper-personalized outreach at scale. AI-driven lead enrichment provides deep insight into prospect businesses and pain points, empowering your sales team to craft tailored messaging that resonates, converts more leads to opportunities, and ultimately close more deals faster, maximizing sales productivity and cutting down on the GTM bloat disrupting your team. Now, for you to actually start using it, it is now on demo, and this is basically some of the actual features. You can find them here in detail so you can understand more how does it work, what it will give you, and there is a whole article of 3 different chapters that can actually explain to you this solution. Now, for the second solution, track job changes. It can detect, classify, and update employee records when job changes occur, eliminating hours of manual data entry and ensuring their employee database is always accurate, preventing GTM bloats and enabling teams to maintain high velocity and rapidly evolving environments without getting bogged down by busy work. Now, as you can see here, the same thing will be repeated in every page. Some kind of features with images, and then the benefits of automating job change tracking. So you'll have here automated detection, classification, and updating of employee record, automation of account research and data updates, monitoring and communicating job role updates, overall benefit for GTM teams, personalization, strategic agility, resource optimization, and market competitiveness. Now, this is for the second solution. Now for the third solution, and this is guys only for the sales solutions. So working deals, leverage AI powered automation to streamline deal cycles, surface risk and opportunities proactively, and drive deals forward faster, maximizing sales productivity and increasing deal velocity, and ultimately closing more businesses at an accelerated pace. It's time to ditch GTM bloat for good and get your team up to speed. So, as we are talking about the features and etc., you should know that this AI is actually trusted by many companies, such as these ones that are in here. So you can literally find some very well-known companies that are mentioned in here, and basically the same thing as the others. In case you would like to actually know more about this solution, well, simply go ahead to the bottom and you will find everything that you might even like some questions that you didn't even think about. You might find some answer for them in here, and some benefits that are not included within the description of this solution. So this is something that you always want to know. Now, for the AI Sales Manager, automate critical sales processes like lead enrichment and opportunity analysis, CRM hygiene, and more, freeing up sales teams to focus on closing deals instead of busy work. By integrating with your CRM and intelligently recommending next steps, the AI Sales OS works around the clock to streamline your sales workflows, eliminate GTM bloat, and accelerate revenue growth. So this is very good for sales. Now, as you can see it will help you to have a sales forecasting, so you can leverage AI to automate sales forecasting, ensuring consistent and accurate revenue predictions across your organization. By eliminating hours of manual number crunching, this workflow enables marketing teams to strategically align their efforts, optimize budgets, and confidently accelerate product to the market. GTM leaders struggling with forecasts and predictably will find this an indispensable tool for driving growth. Now, there is also deal health scoring, so they can literally just submit a deal from a client or just submit a random deal that you are willing to give for a client here, and they will give you like a whole analytics report about it, if it is good for you, if it is healthy for the company or enterprise that you are working on, or it is bad and it has bad outcomes. So it can give you a whole analytics about it. You can have also qualification criteria tracking, so this AI powered workflow enables sales team to track and score leads against key qualification criteria like budget, authority, need and time, line. So do away with manual research and data entry, so your reps responsibles can quickly identify and prioritize the opportunities most likely to convert, ideal for sales organizations looking to boost GTM velocity and drive more revenue with less GTM bloat. So what you're going to do in general, score and rank leads based on their likelihood to convert, eliminate the need for tedious manual research and data entry, achieve higher conversion rates, driving revenue growth. So this is really good. Now we are talking only about the benefits of this like solution because it is the most important one. The other ones you can read them by yourself, so because we are here talking about the sales category, so we need to know more about it. But in general, yeah, this AI, guys, you need to understand that it is not completely free. It has 3 different plans. Of course, the first one, it is free. Now for the first one, as you can see, 1C 2000 words inside ChatGPT 3.5 in Cloud 3, copy.ai brand voice, and copy.ai infobase. For the second plan, which is the starter, now you are going to start putting money. So 1 seat, unlimited words in chat, unlimited chat project, access to all latest LLMs, private community access, and it's gonna cost you around $36 per month. Advanced, up to 5 seats, 2K workflow credits, 15 plus marketing workflows, 15 plus sales workflows, and workflow builder access. This one is pretty expensive because it is for streamlining the GTM process, and basically it is $186 per month. If you changed it to the monthly, it might be even much expensive. Now it is all up to you guys. Would you like to use it or not? It's all for you to decide. So thank you guys a lot for watching. That was it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.